In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or remove the Meta AI button on WhatsApp in just 5 minutes. Now, you might have noticed this feature popping up on your WhatsApp, especially on the PC version, and if you're anything like me, you'd want a little more control over your interface. While it's not possible to permanently remove the Meta AI button because there's no direct option to disable it, I'm going to guide you on how to minimize its presence effectively. This involves deleting or archiving the chat and disabling any AI-related notifications you might have. To start, one straightforward way to reduce the visibility of the Meta AI button is by hiding the Meta AI chat itself. Let's walk through the steps on how you can do this easily and quickly. First, what you want to do is open your web browser and navigate to web.whatsapp.com. You'll see the familiar WhatsApp webpage, and here you'll need to log in. Make sure your phone is handy because, as usual, you'll need to scan the QR code using the WhatsApp app on your mobile device to access your chats on the PC. Once logged in, you'll see your list of active chats on the left sidebar. Look through this list to find the conversation related to Meta AI. It should be relatively straightforward to spot as it typically stands out from your usual chats. When you have located the Meta AI chat, hover your mouse over it and perform a right click. Now, you will see several options displayed in a menu. Among these options, you need to select Archive Chat. Choosing to archive the chat essentially makes the Meta AI conversation disappear from your main screen, effectively minimizing its presence without actually deleting any important info or permanently removing the feature. When you archive chats, they aren't deleted but are simply hidden in a special archived folder that's accessible when you need it, allowing your main chat screen to stay neat and tidy. This is especially useful if you want to reduce clutter and have a more streamlined interface. Remember, while these steps won't remove the Meta AI feature altogether, they do help keep it out of sight and out of mind, which can significantly improve your experience on WhatsApp web, making it less cluttered and distracting. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to handle the Meta AI button on WhatsApp. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes navigating your WhatsApp chats just a little bit easier.